Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see now the uncertainty of things, guys. Where are we going, right? This is the question we ask ourselves for Bitcoin because we are hesitating for now. Should we buy? Should we not? What are we going to do? And we will try to answer all of these questions, of course. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you already for your support, guys. And you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. Also, don't forget to join, guys, the monthly subscription because you get easy profits, you get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more, guys. Only 50 people can join in and you can cancel anytime you like. Join in right now, and of course we will have the technical analysis for now, and we will jump into the head and shoulders pattern that we formed, right? You can see the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and now we have the 32,700 as a major support level. How did I know we had this level right here? If you draw your Fibonacci retracement, guys, from the bottom right there, 28,700 to the top 36,500, you get major support levels. And our first was here, we broke down. Okay, our second was here, we broke down and we closed a little bit beyond. Then we knew, guys, that we probably go to 32,700. I always want to be on point with you guys. I don't want to mess around, and I believe that people that are talking generic things or aren't sure about something, because yeah, I understand most sometimes, guys, you can't be sure about something even when you are an analyst, right? But you can't be always generic in your videos, and I believe that I want to try and be as more specific with you as I can, right? So therefore we had the 32,700, and now we just found support at this line. You can see now we are closing a little bit beyond the 33,700, a resistance level for now, and we want to see eventually if we can bounce in between those two Fibonacci retracements and then go upwards or downwards. Let's see an example before, guys, to see what actually happened. We had a little bit of a similar scenario right here, okay, where we had our left shoulder, our head, and a little bit of a mini shoulder right there. It was not actually so much of a head and shoulders pattern, but you can see that we had a little bit swing high, another far more swing high right there, and of course we went down. So what is the difference there? Because if you go to the RSI, guys, you will see that we had a very strong oversold situation, and we expected that we could go further above, but then we had another oversold situation again and another oversold situation on the 4-hour frame, and we went all the way downwards. You can see that we just lost our support level. So eventually, guys, okay, it matters that we have an oversold situation. Actually, we don't have an oversold situation for now, but we want to see eventually if we can go upwards. And the main reason here that we need to ask ourselves is, can we keep the higher low pattern here, guys, falling on the 4-hour frame for the RSI? Can we keep that, the higher low and the higher high? You can see that the higher low and the higher high. We need to keep this pattern going on for the RSI, and of course our lowest point has to be around there and now go even higher to an overbought situation, right? If we keep that pattern, then yes, we can easily even go above the 36,500, and you know the next price target, of course, it is the 38,500, around, guys, there and a little bit above. Because if I go in the previous here, guys, and let's see that I want to delete this one right here, Fibonacci retracement, and I wanted to find some major resistance levels. What I would do personally, guys, I would draw my Fibonacci retracement from this top to the bottom right here. Okay, so 36,500 is our first, was actually our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. We found resistance level right here, and now the next one is a little bit higher than the 38,400. The 38,600 is the next price target after we go above the 36,000 and 500. And another way to find it, guys, is if you just draw your Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top and you can see that if you have in your settings in the Fibonacci retracement, guys, go into the settings and click there and go and click the minus 0.236. Of course, you should have only the default for the Fibonacci retracement, but I found so useful, guys, the minus 0.236, minus 0.5, minus 0.786, and minus 0.618. If you have all of these, then you will realize that minus 0.236 was around our previous Fibonacci retracement, the 0.786, right? And it is logical a bit, not so much logical, but it is logical a bit. Then we go to 38,500. So yeah, these are our next support levels. In case, of course, we dropped to 32,700, I believe, guys, there is a very, very high possibility that we can go to 31,700 and maybe 30,500. This would be actually catastrophic, guys. If we lose the support level, the 32,700, for me, it is the most important support level to hold for now for Bitcoin, because that would mean we can break down, but we will lose another pattern, guys, that it is very, very crucial for me in order to get higher for Bitcoin. We will lose a pattern going even further down, and then eventually, guys, we will go further down, right? So therefore, I know that you a lot of people are asking me about week of accumulation, right? Is this the right time now to go in? I just show you a very, very nice bullish scenario for me, guys, on the weekly frame yesterday. For me, this is a hammer candle, right? On the weekly frame, for me, this is a hammer candle. However, I have to see one yet in the weekly frame, so I was a little bit cautiously optimistic, right? Because it looks to me like a hammer candle, but I would need, of course, your opinion about that. On the weekly frame, looks like a hammer candle, so therefore it is very, very possible that on the next few weeks we might see a significant swing high on the Bitcoin, right? And the week of accumulation, guys, is something that might happen, but you always have to have in your mind my price prediction from about 2 months ago. Around 2-3 months ago, I was saying that 28,000 USDT for Bitcoin is very, very possible. There we went around there, and now I told you that I believe that Bitcoin might go down to 26,000, 27,000 Tether USD. So even if we have a swing high, this is my personal belief, guys. Of course, you don't have to follow it, right? You don't have to follow my advice, and this is not a financial advice in any case. I'm just saying that, well, I believe that we can go a little bit, we might have a swing high and then go to 26,000, around 26 to 27,000 Tether USD. This is what I'm thinking, that we can go there, right? Around this line right here. Let's see the line. Yeah, 26,500. And of course, guys, I do believe that we will eventually go there. Maybe it is the next month, maybe in the next 2 months, but I think that we can go there. So therefore, you should all be careful. And now what we need to see is if we lose this or break this target right here. It will be very, very crucial to break the 33,600 and close above. You can see that 33,700 and close above, or if we close down from 32,700, then we are going to lose a major support level, and of course many altcoins will drop down. TFUL will lose its 0.618 Fibonacci retracement support level. I had the daily update, guys, today, so you can check it out. So it is very, very crucial. Let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. We had an oversold situation, and what we are hoping for is to go upwards, right? What we are hoping for, of course, is to go into an overbought situation, right? And on the daily frame, guys, if we go to the daily frame, you will realize that back then we had a significant overbought situation, right? On the daily frame, we had the commodity channel index being above 100, but now we don't have that. Instead, we are following a higher low pattern, and we want to keep following the higher low pattern. So the difference between the previous thing that I told you yesterday and now is that before we had an extremely overbought situation, therefore we expected to correct furthermore, but now it is not this time, right? We don't have any overbought situation, we don't have, of course, any oversold situation, but we have a pattern that we need to follow on the commodity channel index. Therefore, guys, it is very, very likely, according also to the stochastic RSI, guys, we had actually a little bit of an overbought situation. Now we don't have. So guys, I believe that okay, we have some chances of breaking the 33,600. Let's go back to our 4-hour frame and let's zoom in a bit so you can see. On the 4-hour frame, you can see that we have the 20-day MA crossing again down the 50-day EMA, right? Exponential moving averages. And you can see that on the daily, we have yet to go above the 50-day EMA. We have gone above the 20-day EMA and it seems like it is a curse. Every time, guys, we are going above the 20-day EMA, we are going down. So eventually the EMA, we haven't been able to touch it yet, right? The 50-day EMA is getting more horizontal though, 20-day EMA is getting more horizontal, but we need to just wait and see. The next are the price targets, guys, that of course we had in our Fibonacci retracement, 32,700, 33,600, guys, are the most important lines for now, and you should observe a little bit the market now before you make any decisions. Although it is most likely, guys, we have higher chances of going out and breaking the 33,000 instead of here, for example, guys, when we were let's say at this pattern right here and we just had the same low and you could see that we fell down. We had more chances to fall down. Now the chances are getting higher and maybe we can surpass and go above the 33,600. This will be very, very good for Bitcoin. And of course, we might have a sign of relief after going, of course, above the 34,700. This was an update, guys. Of course, join our Telegram group chat and our monthly subscription. Links are in the description down below, and hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, see you soon, guys, with daily updates and many, many more videos. Cautiously optimistic, guys. And even if you are in a loss, hold your coins. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.